Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to set Perplexity AI as default voice assistant on mobile. The Perplexity Assistant is a smart tool that helps you perform a wide range of tasks on your Android device, from asking simple questions and taking quick actions to managing more complex tasks, all without switching between apps. It acts like a Perplexity-powered layer built into your device, giving you fast AI-based help anywhere on your phone. Firstly, go to the Google Play Store and search for Perplexity and update it to the latest version. Open the Perplexity app and tap the banner on your home screen to begin setup. Complete the quick onboarding process, and then now you can access assistant settings from your device's system settings to enable or customize how it works. Now, once it's set as default assistant, you can launch it easily using any of these shortcuts. Just swipe from the bottom left corner toward the center of the screen. Press and hold the power button or press and hold the home button. Now you can use Perplexity Assistant to ask questions, find information, and perform actions, all hands-free and seamlessly integrated with your Android device. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.